As we age, maintaining strength and mobility becomes increasingly essential to living independently and enjoying a high quality of life. One common complaint among seniors is leg weakness, which can lead to falls, fractures, and a loss of independence. While exercise is critical, nutrition also plays a pivotal role in keeping leg muscles strong and functional. The right nutrients can not only slow the decline of muscle mass, but also reverse some of the damage and restore vitality. Here are the top 6 nutrients proven to combat leg weakness in seniors, and how to get them fast. 1. Protein, the building block of muscle strength. Protein is arguably the most important nutrient for muscle health. It is essential for repairing muscle tissue, building lean muscle mass, and maintaining strength. Seniors are at risk of sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, which directly contributes to leg weakness. Why it matters: inadequate protein intake leads to muscle wasting, fatigue, and reduced mobility. Eating enough protein can help preserve leg muscle strength and even improve it when combined with resistance exercise. Best sources: eggs, chicken breast, Greek yogurt, lentils, tofu. Quick tip: include a source of protein in every meal and snack. Aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. 2. Vitamin D, the muscle and bone protector. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in muscle function and bone strength. It enhances calcium absorption, supports neuromuscular communication, and helps regulate muscle contraction. A deficiency in vitamin D is strongly linked with muscle weakness and a higher risk of falls. Why it matters: many seniors have low levels of vitamin D, especially those who spend little time outdoors. Supplementation has been shown to improve muscle strength and balance in older adults. Best sources: sunlight, 10 to 15 minutes daily; fatty fish, salmon, sardines; fortified milk and cereals; egg yolks; vitamin D supplements. Consult a doctor for dosage. Quick tip: get your vitamin D levels checked and aim for 800-1000 IU daily if deficient. 3. Magnesium, the muscle calmer. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, making it a vital mineral for preventing cramps and muscle fatigue. It also supports nerve function, which is important for balance and coordination. Why it matters: a magnesium deficiency can cause muscle spasms, weakness, and impaired mobility, all of which can affect the legs significantly. Best sources: spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, black beans, whole grains. Quick tip: a magnesium-rich snack like a handful of almonds or pumpkin seeds in the evening can help calm muscles and promote better sleep. 4. Potassium, the electrolyte hero. Potassium regulates fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It works closely with sodium to maintain proper muscle function. Low potassium levels can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even paralysis in severe cases. Why it matters: seniors often experience potassium imbalances due to medications like diuretics. Replenishing potassium can quickly restore energy and leg stability. Best sources: bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, oranges, coconut water. Quick tip: blend a banana and a handful of spinach with yogurt for a potassium-boosting smoothie. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish and certain plant-based sources, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a hidden culprit behind muscle degradation and joint pain, especially in aging adults. Why it matters: Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in muscle tissue, promote protein synthesis, and may even enhance the effects of strength training in seniors. Best sources: salmon, mackerel, chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds. Quick tip: include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. Consider fish oil supplements if you don't consume fish regularly. 6. Calcium, the backbone of muscle and bone health. Calcium is essential not just for bones, but for muscle contraction and signaling as well. It helps the nervous system communicate with muscles, ensuring that movements are smooth and coordinated. Why it matters: a calcium deficiency can lead to brittle bones and muscle dysfunction. For seniors, ensuring adequate calcium can mean the difference between strength and frailty. Best sources: dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Leafy greens, collard greens, bok choy. Fortified plant milks. Tofu made with calcium sulfate. Quick tip: combine calcium with vitamin D to maximize absorption. Combining nutrients for maximum impact. The best strategy to combat leg weakness is to combine these 6 nutrients through a balanced and varied diet. Here's how a day of nutrient-packed eating could look. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach, whole grain toast, a glass of fortified orange juice. Lunch: grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, walnuts, and avocado. Greek yogurt with chia seeds on the side. Dinner: stir-fry with tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, and brown rice. Coconut water as a drink. Snacks: banana and almond butter, pumpkin seeds or a handful of almonds. Other tips to strengthen legs faster. Hydration: muscles need water to function properly. Dehydration contributes to cramps and fatigue. Resistance training: weight-bearing exercises like squats, leg lifts, and walking strengthen leg muscles. Massage and stretching: these practices improve circulation and muscle flexibility. Avoid excess salt and sugar. They can deplete essential minerals and worsen muscle weakness. Get regular check-ups. Certain conditions, like diabetes or thyroid issues, can affect muscle function. Conclusion: leg weakness is not an inevitable part of aging. It can be prevented and even reversed with the right combination of nutrients and lifestyle changes. By prioritizing protein, vitamin D, magnesium, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium, seniors can maintain stronger, more resilient legs and reclaim their independence. It's never too late to make changes that strengthen the body and renew confidence in daily movement. With a few smart dietary additions, the journey to stronger legs can begin today.